Discover how to enhance your coding workflow by leveraging Claude's AI-driven insights for code optimization. Learn to integrate AI suggestions seamlessly, reduce bugs, and boost performance. Welcome to our video on optimizing code with Claude's AI suggestions. Did you know that AI can reduce coding errors by up to 30%? Today, we'll explore how Claude's AI can transform your coding workflow, improving efficiency and performance. Claude's AI is designed to assist developers by providing real-time suggestions and insights. It supports multiple programming languages and offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to integrate into your existing workflow. With its powerful code analysis capabilities, Claude can identify potential improvements and suggest optimizations that enhance code quality and performance. To get started with Claude's AI, you'll need to install the software and configure it according to your development environment. Whether you're using VS Code, JetBrains, or another IDE, Claude integrates seamlessly. Customize the suggestion settings to match your coding style and ensure that your setup complies with security standards. This ensures a smooth integration with your current workflow, allowing you to leverage AI insights effectively. Claude's AI uses advanced algorithms to provide coding suggestions. These algorithms analyze code patterns, learn from developer feedback, and continuously improve over time. By understanding common coding patterns and potential pitfalls, Claude can offer suggestions that not only improve code quality but also align with industry best practices. This deep learning approach ensures that the suggestions are relevant and actionable. Integrating AI suggestions into your existing codebase requires careful consideration. Claude's AI ensures that suggestions can be merged without disrupting your workflow. It supports version control systems like Git, allowing you to test changes and maintain code integrity. By following best practices, you can seamlessly incorporate AI-driven improvements and minimize disruptions to your development process. Let's explore some real-world examples where Claude's AI has made a significant impact. From the tech industry to finance, Claude's suggestions have helped developers optimize code, reduce bugs, and improve performance. Success stories highlight the tangible benefits of integrating AI into the coding process, providing valuable insights into how organizations have embraced this technology to enhance their development workflows.
Once you've integrated Claude's AI suggestions, it's essential to measure the performance improvements. Key performance indicators, KPIs, can help quantify the gains, such as reduced load times and fewer bugs. Tracking these metrics over time provides insights into the long-term benefits of AI-driven optimization. Additionally, feedback loops enable continuous refinement of the AI suggestions, ensuring ongoing improvements in code quality. As powerful as AI can be, it's important to recognize potential pitfalls. Relying too heavily on AI suggestions can lead to complacency. Balancing AI insights with human intuition is crucial for maintaining high coding standards. Encourage team collaboration and ensure that suggestions align with your project's goals. By being aware of these challenges, you can make the most of Claude's AI while avoiding common mistakes. The future of AI in code optimization holds exciting possibilities. Emerging technologies and continuous learning algorithms are set to revolutionize the development industry. Predictions suggest increased automation and further integration of AI into everyday coding practices. Keeping an eye on these trends will help you stay ahead of the curve and leverage AI to its fullest potential in your coding workflow. In conclusion, Claude's AI offers powerful tools for optimizing your code efficiently. By integrating AI-driven insights, you can reduce bugs, improve performance, and stay at the forefront of coding innovation. We encourage you to share your experiences in the comments and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this journey to mastering AI in coding.